Guys, welcome to the Doubtlet. So in this video solution, we will discuss this problem of differential equation, that is y dash is equal to 2 plus e to the power this function, and this is a function of x and y. So we will discuss the similar format related to this question. Like suppose if we will get a question that is y dash is equal to a constant, means let's suppose it is a plus e to the power function of f of x comma y. Then what we will do, we will assume this f x comma y as t, and then we will further proceed with this solution. So here we know that value of a is 2, and function f x comma y, we can write this as, this is a equation of straight line, y minus 2x plus 3. Now if we will assume this fxy is equal to t, means if we will assume y minus 2x plus 3 is equal to t, and if we will differentiate both sides with respect to x, then it will become y dash, this will become 2, this will become 0, this will become 1. So from here we can write y dash is equal to, this is, we can write as t dash. So we can write this as t dash plus 2. And now if we will replace this in the original given equation, this equation, so we can write this as t dash plus 2 is equal to, this will become 2 plus e to the power t, because we have assumed this whole expression as t. Correct? Now to proceed further, we know that we have to use the separation, variable separation method. So this 2 will be cancelled out. So we can write this as dt divided by dx is equal to e to the power t. And if we will separate the variable, this will become e to the power minus t dt is equal to dx. And if we will integrate it both sides, then we can write this as minus e to the power minus t is equal to x plus c. And if we will replace this t as y minus 2x plus 3 again, then we will get this as e to the power, this will become 2x minus y minus 3 is equal to x plus c. And if we will take log both sides, just taking ln both sides, so what we will get, so we know that ln of e to the power x or e to the power t is t, means this whole power comes in front and ln e to the base e will be cancelled. So if we will take ln minus e to the power 2x minus y minus 3 is equal to ln of x plus c. So we can write this as, so here this is minus, so first we have to multiply with negative sign to the both sides. So if we will take the negative sign to the both sides, this will become c minus x. And if we will take ln to the both sides, this will become e to the power 2x minus y minus 3 is equal to ln of c minus x. Then this will become 2x minus y minus 3 by using this formula. Okay, this will become ln of c minus x. And if we will just take y to the this sides and this turn to the this side, then we can write this as y is equal to 2x minus 3 minus ln of c minus x. So this is the solution for this type of question in differential equation. But you have to make sure that this number and this term would remain same, or if the number changes, like if the number changes to this and the coefficients of this or this constant term, then you have to work accordingly. And if you would like to ask any other question like this, then do subscribe my channel and visit my website. I will provide you the real time tutoring lessons. Thank you very much.